Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to watch TikTok without an account or an app. So the first thing we have to do is open up a browser. I'm going to choose Chrome for this example. And then once in Chrome, we will type in the address tiktok.com and hit enter. Once in TikTok, to watch videos uninterrupted, what we need to do is go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. So this is the browser settings, and once it's dropped down, you'll see an option that says desktop site, which is unchecked. So we will check that to make it a desktop site. So this will change it to the desktop site, and in the desktop site, you can watch more freely without being interrupted. So this is how we can watch TikTok without an account or an app. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.